क्या लगे आग के फिर इस दिल में समाया कोई, रात भर फिरता है शहर में साया कोई। फिक्र ये थी कि शबे हिज्र कटेगी क्यों कर, लुत्फ़ ये है कि हमें याद न आया कोई। शौक़ था कि मोहब्बत में जलेंगे चुपचाप, रंज ये है कि तमाशा न दिखाया कोई। शहर में हम दरे दरीना तो बहुत थे नासिर, वक्त पड़ने पे मेरे काम न आया कोई। Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. And sorry, guys, you waited long for my video. I was a little busy with my family. As you know, Eid al-Azha is coming on 7th June. I was really busy in cleaning, shopping, and other family affairs. But today, my younger sister requested me to make Daal Makhni, so I decided to share it with you guys as well. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a healthy, hearty and delicious recipe of Daal Makhni. Basically, lentil soup is full of cream and butter. There are many variations of lentil soup. It is layered with cream, butter and spices that give it this incredibly layered flavor with the kicks of spices and earthiness. In winters, it's a blessing. It feels you cozy and warm up your body, and for cold, it's a better diet. So let's get started. Here I have 250 gram of old lentil and I have rinsed, cleansed and soaked in warm water for 4 to 5 hours before cooking. It would be better to soak it overnight so that all its skin can be removed easily and swollen properly to cook with ease. Because I soaked it 4 to 5 hours before cooking, so I used warm water. Now cooking start. Here I washed it for 5 to 6 times and removed all its skin, put in pressure cooker, added some salt according to my taste and put on pressure for 3 to 5 minutes to cook it up to 80%, while 20% will be cooked with gravy. While it happened, I prepared the paste for its base. I used 2 medium sized onions, 1 inch ginger peas, 9 to 10 garlic cloves, 3 green chilies, 2 medium sized tomatoes roughly chopped, added about half cup of oil, ground them to make paste. After 3 minutes of whistling, I turned off the flame, opened the pressure cooker and it was perfectly 80 to 85% cooked. Put it on side and in another pan on medium heat I added the paste and cooked it for 3 to 5 minutes to let it release oil. Then I added spices like red chili flakes, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, allspice powder, 1 bay leaf and cooked till all spices release their nice aroma. Then I added half cup of cream and cooked it again for 4 to 5 minutes so all flavors develop well. In Daal Makhni, I am using cream and butter. Dairy fats are very important source of our daily diets, especially for kids because they support brain development and boost immunity. Good source of vitamins like A, E, K, and B12. And in women, it improves skin, hair, bones, and hormone production, and also fertility. Also, lentils are very important source of proteins. Proteins are very important because they help to build our muscle mass, rich in calcium, fiber and minerals. Here I did not use the salt because I have used it when I boiled the lentil and then in that was enough according to my taste. Now gravy is ready and it's time to dump lentil into it, mix it well, and here you can use more water if you need to, but I didn't use because I don't need. By the way, previously I have used 3 glass of water to boil lentil, then that was good enough. After mixing lentil I added 150 gram of butter to give it sweet creamy taste. When butter is melted completely and it starts bubbling, it means its consistency is perfect, not too thick nor thin. Turn off the flame and dish it out. I garnished it with green coriander and cream. You can use anything that is available to you and can serve it as a soup or curry with naan roti or rice. I served it with naan. I hope you will enjoy my recipe. because all we need is pantry staple spices, nothing extraordinary. Dal makhni is comforting and satisfying dish. As Eid ul Adha is coming ahead and there is a lot of meat in Muslim community, they're gonna enjoy barbecue and many other dishes. But the vegetarian, we can't eat meat due to some medical or personal reasons, they can enjoy this incredible dal makhni. If you wanna me bring such more exotic recipes for you, then write in comment box. Remember me in your warm prayers. See you in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.